My name's Bailey. Now I'm at school because it's electronic day and I'm just bored. I'm here with Nicky that I talked about in part 1 and part 2 of Nicky and Baylee. He's over there, so I'm not going to show you guys. Okay, what's today's topic? Funny sounds. Okay, today's topic is funny sounds, and he's going to play them off something, whatever. Okay, you guys better listen.